Finding the perfect fabric for my perfect hats has been challenging this year. So when the times get tough, the tough get going. And look at me. I'm now in love with direct-to-film printing. Yes, sirree, folks. This has been a game changer for me this season. I'm pairing it with my perfect hat. The band for the perfect hat is in 2 parts, so it was pretty easy to make film that would be able to use on one of the band pieces or on 2. So my film pieces here are about 12 inches long and about 3.5 inches deep, which is perfect for the perfect hat. But let's talk about the direct-to-film printing. And as I said, I am just in love. So I send out my artwork and I make my artwork on Canva, and it comes back to me usually the next day on a piece of plastic film that withstands high heat. And I just place it on my solid fabric, and voila, I have a print that showcases all the little creatures that I love on my outdoor themed hats: butterflies, dragonflies, flowers, and my customers love that too. Now I'm going to put a little bit of heat tape on because I'm going to move these bands as I'm talking to you. I'm just getting ready to show you the next step. So I'll just use a bit of heat tape to hold my film in place while I move them off of this mat on my cutting table and get ready for the next step, which is to apply heat with a heat press. You could use this, but it will take a long time. It's not recommended, and I want these to last. So for under $100, I invested in this heat press machine. You can adjust the pressure here. So it requires pressure to make a good adhesion onto your fabric. You're pressing ink from that film into your fabric. And this particular one has a 360-degree swing, and it just works fine for me. I put my fabric and my film onto the plate, and I've covered it with a Teflon pressing sheet, and within 10 seconds I have my design transferred onto my fabric, and this machine even has a timer, folks. So I found this is very good value, and that's why this isn't just in part of a film about the summer perfect hat, which it was going to be. I thought maybe I should just do this as a standalone video because this might be something that interests you too. You can do your artwork in any theme. You could celebrate the 250th birthday of the United States if you are one of our American viewers, or you could do what I do and just make your artwork based on the interests that you have and maybe your clients have, or company logos. I mean, you name it, you can do it with this process. And there are so many companies now that will make this film for you, dozens in every city, and usually it's very fast. And considering the quality of the finished results, I find it very affordable too. So here in Canada, the company that I used, the prices start at $7.50 Canadian for a gang sheet. So, I mean, you've got probably the process is the same for most of the people who do this work, where you upload your artwork and you create your gang sheet right on their site. But I'll leave the links to the company that I use in the description below, as well as all these tools and supplies that I'm using too. So I'm going to peel this plastic film off, and I just have to show you how amazing this is. And if you've done any work with vinyl before, I mean, you can appreciate the fact there isn't even a speck of ink on this plastic carrier sheet. It's just incredible. No weeding either, and no special sprays, or really no prep other than just make sure your fabric's clean and pressed and free of wrinkles. So to recap, we put our transfer on our garment or our fabric. We apply that heavy pressure for 8 to 10 seconds and release. Let it cool down, although my particular manufacturer says it can be a hot, warm, or cold peel, but I find the cold peel works the best. Look at that, it just flips right off. Not a speck of ink to be seen on that transfer film at all. And then we're just going to put our transfer back into the heat press machine and give it a second blast of heat without the film at all. But I've got my Teflon paper there. You can use parchment paper too. And I'm just going to give it another 5 to 8 seconds, and then you're done. And this is what you get. And look at that, there are no edges, it's just ink on the cotton. There is a little bit of texture on the printed side, but it hasn't made the fabric stiff at all. It's still very subtle and soft cotton, and it is gorgeous. So I have been busy having fun playing with this process and my new heat press machine. And now I've been making hats from my bands, and I can put my fusible interfacing on the back too, and nothing happens to the print on the front. So everything is good as far as I'm concerned. And I'm having fun playing with the colors of fabric. The vibrant colors in these transfers will go on any color of fabric and still pop. So let's take a look. Ta-da! Here we go, some finished hats to show you. Again, this is the perfect hat, and I'll link to that pattern because there's a free PDF pattern for you if you want to make this hat too. And if you can't find the perfect print for your perfect hat, then make your own. It's really that easy. Questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thank you so much to our video producers, our channel members, for supporting this channel. And thank you to you for watching this video. You can follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. We're Madcap Hats there as well. Super thanks, always welcome. But more important, how about liking this video and subscribing to the channel? We're Madcap Hats. We're located in Ontario, Canada. I am Tori Capes, a certified milliner. Can't wait to show you all the new hat patterns that we have coming up. So we will see you soon.